Hey, this is Jen. I am so excited. Guess what? We have a brand new subscription box that I almost just dropped on the floor. We have a brand new subscription box to try out here on my channel. I'm so excited. So this is called the Naked Beauty Box. So exciting. Okay, but here's the thing. It came in a bag because there was this in here. So I don't know what this is. I don't know what's in here. Here's the blue bag that I cut open. Let's start this party. Okay, so this is the box. This is so cute. Love the color blue. Let's open it up. I'm really bad at unboxings. I'm never organized. I don't remember how much this box costs, but I will have all of that information for you in the description box down below if you were interested in signing up. So I have a card here that says, thank you. Summer is here and so is your June box. Yes. I hope you love it as much as I do. And then it says, I can't think of any better representation of beauty than someone who is unafraid to be herself. Well, that was really fun. I was going to make some joke, but I had nothing. So we're going to get started. Here's the little card. We got some white snakes in this box. I don't know what to do with them. There's so many. Okay. So the first thing, oh, it smells herbally. Okay. The whole box smells herbally. The first thing that I'm pulling out, this is so cute. This is the Awake Rose Toning Mist. Oh my gosh, look at the pack. I'm gonna have to turn on the light, but look at this package. It's so freaking cute. Okay, we're gonna turn the light back up. Okay, this is so cute. Okay, Rose Toning Mist. Ooh, I feel fancy. This is so exciting. Will my arms be really ripped? Like toning, you know? Ha ha, dad jokes of the week. Oh, it smells like fresh cut roses. That is the most like a spot on representation of fresh roses that I've ever smelled in a rose mist. That was beautiful. Also, 10 out of 10. Obsessed with this package. Super cute. Okay, next thing we have is this little squirt bottle. This says Orglamix Glow Highly Concentrated Serum Brightening Radiance oil, not radiation. That would be bad. So this is 100% natural beauty oil. I'm hype. You could probably tell. Oh, it smells like tea tree oil a little bit, which is not my favorite scent in the world, but it also smells like citrus. So I'm down. Okay, loving this box so far. I'm really hype. Okay. I was going to buy these. As soon as I was done unboxing, I was going to buy these. So thank you so much. The eyebrow razors, I always use them like on, that was a snake. I always use them like around my whole face, but my eyebrows are getting desperate for some TLC. So we got some razors in here. Super fun. I also use them on my upper lip because I have naturally dark hair. Like this is my natural eyebrow, well, everywhere color. So I get a lot of hair on my face. It's very dark. So, and then we all good. Okay. And then I'm seeing this, which is fun. Ooh, I love the gold. Okay, yeah, that's everything in there. This is the Soon Biocellulose Firming Face Mask. Look at the color. Also, it's really big and squishy. Like we got some meat in this package. Squishy. It just feels so nice. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open this up to see what this is. I'm not exactly sure. It's just a black box. It says Bermuda oil on it. Let's get it out of the bag. Ooh, okay, Bermuda oil. And then it says something in a language. And then it says apply to pubic area daily. Other uses, tips of hair, eyebrows, underarms, chapped lips, dry skin, and many more. A little piece of paradise. Okay. Daily skincare and ingrown hair prevention. Oh, that's lit. Ooh, what a fancy. That is so cool. And then it says run away with me. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is a really nice box. It says run away with me. And then I start saying, I've got the sticks. I don't remember. Sail Away, I think is the name of the song. Oh, it smells nice. It kind of just smells like fresh. I don't know. I'm not very good with scent descriptions, which is really funny. Okay, so we have the Organics Glow Oil, which has a retail value of $18. Natural fragrance and essential oils, including grapeseed, avocado, grapefruit peel, sweet orange peel, which I really smelled, mandarin, lemon, and lime peel. As you can see, I'm a child. I can't stop fidgeting with things. This Bermuda oil has a retail value of $26. It has a soft, refreshing scent that will make you feel like you're in paradise. Used for hair, eyebrows, dry skin, underarms, sensitive chapped lips, dry cuticles, instead of argan oil in hair, many more. It prevents and soothes ingrown hair, help with bikini line redness, softens skin and hair, smells sweet and soft. The Body Awakening Rose Toning Mist has a retail value of $16. The eyebrow razors has a retail value of $3. And that one mask has a retail value of $22. Holy crap. Okay, this is everything that I got in my June Naked Beauty box. Honestly, this box was very refreshing and exciting. I really felt like we got something super fun, super different. I think that I'm the most excited about these two items here. I don't know why. I know that I've gotten rose toning mists in the past, but I actually really like the smell of this. It's not overpoweringly floral, but it does smell like rose. Like, it doesn't have the powderiness that a lot of like rose or floral scented perfumes and stuff have, at least in my opinion. And then I'm very excited about this skincare item because this is something that I actually like want and use daily in my skincare routine. That is everything that I got. What was your favorite item inside of this box? Let me know in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video.